This bike rides on water, and you can build it from trash. It looks impossible, but the physics are actually quite simple. Welcome to DIY USA. Let's break down exactly how we built this water machine from scratch. From trash to treasure, let's get started with the materials. You'll need 80 plastic bottles, heavy-duty zip ties, some metal L brackets, and a floating platform. Make sure every single bottle cap is tightened as hard as possible. These metal parts will be the backbone of our floating frame. We also have 2 fins for stability and a rope for safety. Everything is ready. Start by attaching the bottles to the rims. These act as both floats and paddles. Repeat this until your wheels look like giant gears made of air. Now, mount the frame to your floating base. This white platform provides the main buoyancy. Double-check every bolt. We don't want the bike shifting on the water. Fins keep it going straight and stable. Now we build underwater pontoons. Zip tie bottles into rows, then bolt them beneath the platform. These add the extra buoyancy we need. Feels solid. Time to test it on water. Launch day. It hits the water and it floats perfectly. Look at that balance. Carefully get on. Find your center and start pedaling. It works! The bottle wheels are pushing us forward with ease. It's surprisingly fast. This is the ultimate recycled adventure. Total cost? Almost nothing but some hard work. The steering is responsive and the stability is incredible. Enjoyed this? Like and comment below. What should we build next? Thanks for watching. Go create something amazing.